How to make delicious Dalgona Korean coffee. Dalgona Cafe or sponge coffee is a perfect drink made from Vietnam's instant coffee, which is currently loved by many young people. This drink tastes similar to Korean Dalgona candy, a kind of porous Korean sugar candy. The way to make Dalgona coffee is very simple. Anyone can prepare it to enjoy and invite friends. Here is the recipe for Dalgona coffee. Please refer. Ingredients needed to make Dalgona coffee: 2 to 3 packages of Vietnamese instant coffee, 3 teaspoons of sugar, non-sugar fresh milk, ice cubes, 2 tablespoons boiling water. How to make Dalgona coffee. Step 1. Put 2 packages of instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of sugar into the jar. If you don't have instant coffee, substitute it with 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of boiling water to the jar. Step 3. Use the electric mixer to beat the mixture. You can hit it manually if you don't have the device, but it will be very tiring. When the mixture turns yellow like a Dalgona candy color, stop. If you use the machine, it only takes you about 8 minutes for this stage, but if you use your hand, you will beat about 400–2000 times to match the standard yellow. Step 4. Put ice cubes in a cup and pour in fresh milk. Step 5. Gently pour the creamy coffee mixture over. You have a delicious Dalgona coffee to enjoy.